Hi guys, this is Abhilash Gowda HS from E2E Mentorship program. Today I'm going to tell about Java inheritance, so which is the main pillar of OOPS concept. Let me start with the concept. So this is my first video. So what do you mean by inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but is an one object acquiring the properties of another object, like child class acquiring a properties of a parent class. Here, parent class cannot acquire a properties and behavior of a child class, but child class can acquire a properties and behavior of a parent class. This is known as a inheritance. Coming to syntax, class, subclass name extends superclass. Here, subclass is a child and superclass is a parent here. Extend is a keyword which is used to increase the functionality and which indicates that it is inherited there. So take here, example, class dog extends animal. Is a dog is a child and that have a properties of animal and it acquires all the properties of animal here. Next, coming to types of inheritance. There are 5 types of inheritance. By one, let me explain one by one. Single inheritance and multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Let me go by one. So coming to the first, single inheritance. When a class inherits another class, like class A is a parent and it will be having a one child, class B. So here, class A is a derived class or a parent class, and class B will be the inherited class and the child class. So how to represent that one means class B extends class A. It means that class B is a child class which have covering all the properties of class A here. So let me take an example here. Class animal, it's a base or super or a child class. And class cat extends animal means that cat is acquiring all the properties of animal here. This is known as a single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance is known as a multi-level inheritance, like it can be more than one of child classes. Like class A will be the parent or derived class. So class B will be the child class of class A, and class A will be the child class of class B. And whereas class B accept parents as to the class C here. So how to represent means class B extends class A means that B is a child class of A and is acquiring all the properties of A. As same like that, here C is the child class and which is acquiring all the properties of class B here. Like example, take me example here. Class vehicle, it's a parent class, and class bike extends vehicle means bike is a child which acquiring all the properties of vehicle here. And coming to class Honda extends bike means Honda is a child class which extends means which acquires all the properties of bike here. This is known as a multi-level inheritance. Coming to hierarchical inheritance, when two or more classes inherit a single class is known as a hierarchical inheritance. It's nothing but one class or one parent having a two childs. It is known as a hierarchical inheritance. See here, class A, class B, class C is there. Class C will be act as a parent here. Class B and class C will act as a child to the class A here. How to represent? Class B extends class A and class C extends class A. Class animal, class cat extends animal, class dog extends animal. Here both cat as well as dog both acquires the properties of animal. This is known as a hierarchical inheritance. So coming to multiple inheritance, so which is the most important concept in Java, because in Java it is not supported. To overcome this, we'll go for interface, which I will tell in upcoming videos. And what you mean by multiple inheritance means a class to inherit a properties and methods from the multiple parent classes. It means that like one child class having a two parents is known as a multiple inheritance. Let me explain deeply now. Let me take one example like consider one scenario where class A and class B and class C are the three classes, so that class A and class B act as a parent to the class C, where class A and class B having the same method name with the same parameter, same signature. Okay. So when you try to create an object with a child class C here, so at that time when you try to call a method which is mentioned in class C and class B, that time it will get a confusion or ambiguity, means that whether to call class A or whether to call class B. So here there will be a confusion. This is known as a dimension problem. And here's one example here. Class wild, and is a base class and with having the same method name as a tiger. So class tiger with the same method as which is mentioned as in wild. So when you try to create a lion extends wild and tiger, it gets an ambiguity. So which method has to call, like which class has to be called, like tiger or wild. This is known as a multiple inheritance. Coming to hybrid inheritance, it's nothing like it is a combination of both multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. So how it works means like it will be having a, like combination means it will be having a one class having a two childs or two child having a one parent. It's known as a hybrid inheritance. Let me take example here. Class A, class B, class C will be the act as a child here for the class A, as same as class B and class C will be the same parent for the class D. This is known as hybrid inheritance. Thank you.